Welcome back. In this video, let's look at the exercises from the previous step. We wanted to calculate the number of minutes in a day. How do we do that? Think about it. How do we do that? You can pause the video in here and try solving it on yourself before you proceed and see the solution. Think about this. How many number of hours are there in a day? 24. And how many minutes does each hour have? It's 60. So if you want to find out the number of minutes in a day, it's 24 into 60. Isn't that simple? It's 1440. Let's go to the second exercise, which is to find out number of seconds in a day. How many seconds are there in a day? How do we do that? You can pause the video in here. You can actually use whatever we have learned here to try and calculate it. The number of hours is 24. The number of minutes in an hour is 60, and the number of seconds in a minute is 60 as well. So it's 24 into 60 into 60, 86,400. Right? So these are two interesting exercises to see how expressions are really useful in our day-to-day life. So think about a couple of other scenarios where you might be using expressions and try to do calculations around them. And I'll see you in the next step where we would look at a few puzzles. Until then, bye-bye.